And what you said is 100% right said, because people, they have good technical knowledge, but then the presenting knowledge there they lack normally in the interviews. So presenting skill as well as the communication skill is very important when you deliver your technical knowledge. So you are doing that right from the second semester for the students till the sixth semester.
Yes, Smitha, that is absolutely right, because we have a sizable number of students who do come from rural areas, especially students who come from this surrounding. Basically they do come from rural area, and they do have a communication problem.
Barrier.
Yeah, so obviously within the 2.5 years they spend here, first 2.5, we try to brush this up and try to present them with the knowledge to be a good communicator.
Fantastic.
Yeah, yeah.
And you said like in the paramedical industry you had started a new course, and when you compare to other countries like United Kingdom or America, you have a course called National Vocational Qualification, which means the students will be groomed to take the personal care of the patient.
Yeah.
Even now in India, nobody is there to take care of the old patients or the deceased persons. So there must be someone to take care of these persons. A nursing student who has completed their BSc or their nursing studies will not go for this kind of personal care.
Yeah.
So do you have any kind of special courses for
No, we see about 20% of our nursing staff obviously are not qualified nursing staff. So these are special people who are only meant to take care of patients of the type what you are referring now.
Yes.
So there are many things. In a hospital, when a patient comes, almost 20-25% of them do come without any person coming with them. Even if they come, they leave them in the hospital, then go back and again come back at the time when they are released. So they have to be looked after.
That's right.
So we do have a system here, we call them sisters, who try to be the family members of such patient, try to look after their, they have to have a bath, you have to get their clothes dressed ready, you have to comb their hair. These are small things which somebody has to do, and these sisters help them to do that. See, ultimately, apart from medical care is a very important part,
Yes.
Which the role largely lies with the doctor. Making the life of the patient comfortable within the hospital is the most important
factor.
yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
I don't believe that a patient, unless he has the will to improve, which is only possible in a good atmosphere, he will not respond to treatment. So we believe that try to make it as comfortable as possible.
So
Yeah.
because all the patients who are coming to the hospital is coming with a lot of expectations, where they will get curable for their diseases, they want to get good treatment in the hospital, which they are going to get admitted, and the care, as you said, the personal care is very important apart from all these kind of medical care. So is there any kind of systematic system which you are following in your medical industry, where the sisters will go to their home and do the personal care?
No, what we do is, Smita, now we are just about to get into Kerala.
Okay.
So we have a system of insurance scheme now. In the insurance scheme, a family has to pay 500 rupees per year, and thereafterwards, up to an expenditure of 30,000 rupees, the insurance covers for 5 members in the family. So this we are trying to make it as popular as possible. Here in Karnataka, the scheme works where 150 rupees out of that is given by the beneficiary, 350 rupees is paid by the government.
Okay.
Now in Karnataka, this 150 rupees is paid by us, and 350 rupees is paid by the government. And end of the day, the patient is covered to the extent of 30,000 rupees as far as the patient care is concerned. I already told you that as far as the dental college is, the dental treatment is concerned, is absolutely free, irrespective of the cost, whether it's the maxillofacial work, whether it's the orthodontia work, whether it's a very simple cleaning, anything you call, it's absolutely free. Here in this hospital, until the insurance came, 30% of the people we were treating them free. Yeah, and also I would like to tell you that we used to charge 15 rupees, now we charge 25 rupees for patient, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the bed and services of the nurse. So where do you get for 25 rupees all these facilities?
No.
What I am referring. Now my question to you, Smita, is why is that almost 70% of the, or thereabout, or maybe more, patients do come from Kerala? They come from distant places, from Kannur to Payanur to Kanjanghat to this thing. In between there are places where Kannur is a very important medical center. Next to that there is a medical college. But large number of them prefer to come here. And rest I leave you to decide why do they come here.
There is a phrase in English called face is a mirror of the heart. Like as you said like for the past 20 years there was no single strike in this college, there was no problem by the students, and there are a lot of international students studying. With that itself, it is better that we can conclude that this quality and this appreciation from the people in the way of their presence here shows the standard of the college and standard of the institute. May God bless you with more and more energy and more health and wealth to promote this service to the community in a wider aspect what you're right now from. Okay.
Thank you, Smita.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
So viewers, ഇന്നത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡ് ഇഷ്ടമായി കാണുമെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞത് സത്യമാണ്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഇത്രയും ആൾക്കാർ ഇവിടെ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് എടുക്കാൻ വരുന്നത്, എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ പഠിക്കാൻ വരുന്നത്? ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ദി ക്വാളിറ്റി, ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ദി കോസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ദി കെയർ. ഇത് മൂന്നും കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു നല്ല ഒരു ട്രസ്റ്റാണ് നമ്മുടെ നിശ്ചയ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷണൽ ട്രസ്റ്റ് ആസ് വെൽ ആസ് ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽസ് എല്ലാം ഉള്ളത്. ഹെഗ്ഡെ സർ തുടങ്ങി വെച്ച ആ ഒരു റൂറൽ ആൻഡ് ഒരു വില്ലേജിൽ തുടങ്ങി വെച്ച കാര്യമാണ് ഇന്ന് ഇത്രയും വൈഡർ ആസ്പെക്റ്റിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. മാത്രമല്ല ഇവരുടെ ബിസിനസ്സിന്റെ സക്സസ് എന്താ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ദിയർ മോട്ടീവ്നെസ് ബിഹൈൻഡ് ദി ക്വാളിറ്റി. അത് മാത്രമല്ല അവർ അതിനെ എപ്പോഴും ഒരിക്കലും വിടാണ്ട് തുടർന്ന് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് ദിയർ സക്സസ്. എനിവേസ് യു ക്യാൻ ഓൾസോ ബിക്കം എ വെരി ഗുഡ് business people if you all follow these kind of things. I'll meet you all in the next fantastic episode. Until then, it's me, Smita, signing off, saying bye-bye and take care.